Here we are in Flamingo. Just launched. It is 6:38 in the morning. I got Brandon in tow. We're heading over to Snakebite Creek, watching the sunrise. Here we are, guys, fishing the edge of the flat. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Big old stingray right there. There he goes. Big old boy with a remora on his back. Here for you. Alright guys, update. We're still fishing the channel. Brandon's back hurts, so he's turned his kayak into a bed. Perfect. He's very excited about it. Perfect. He's very excited. He's developed this. Alright guys, update. We are moving spots. I've caught one snook. Brandon's caught a lot of catfish. We've fished about 3 spots, and we're moving through the channel here. We've set up a new system. We're tandem now, and Brandon spotted these dogs. Here we got some scared manatees. Not by us, from another boater. It wasn't us, I swear. Oh! Look at the big fish. That's pretty cool.
Let me just...
Alright, here we have Brandon, self-bailing. He's been pumping for about 5 minutes.
Oh, I can still go. Still going.
He basically took... Alright guys, we are here at the island. The island. This is called Friend Key. We're fishing. Ben and I have both caught. Brandon's caught 2 catfish. So here we are. Last spot of the day.
Back at it again with the fucking bill.
Brandon loving his life right now. He's just